Hello. Welcome to Sunny Restaurant. My name is Tom. I am your waiter.
Hello, Tom. Thank you. I am Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Here is the menu. Do you want water?
Yes, please. Water is good.
Okay, water. Do you want food now?
Yes, I am hungry. What food is good here?
The pizza is good. The pasta is good too. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza. What pizza do you have?
We have cheese pizza, meat pizza, and vegetable pizza.
I like vegetables. I want vegetable pizza, please.
Okay, one vegetable pizza. Do you want a small pizza or a big pizza?
Small pizza, please.
Good. Do you want a drink with the pizza? We have juice, soda, or tea.
I like juice. Do you have orange juice?
Yes, we have orange juice. One orange juice?
Yes, please.
Okay, one small vegetable pizza and one orange juice. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Great. Your food is coming soon. Here is your water, Anna.
Thank you, Tom.
You are welcome. The pizza is cooking now. Anna, do you like salad? We have a free small salad with pizza today.
Oh, nice. Yes, I like salad.
Good. I bring a small salad with your pizza.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Here is your vegetable pizza, small salad, and orange juice.
Wow, it looks good. Thank you, Tom.
You are welcome. Enjoy your food. Anna, is the pizza good?
Yes, it is very good. The salad is good too.
I am happy you like it. Do you want more water?
No, thank you. I have juice.
Okay, I am here if you need me.
Thank you, Tom.
Anna, is everything okay?
Yes, everything is very good. Thank you.
Do you want dessert? We have cake or ice cream.
No, thank you. I am full.
Okay, here is the bill.
How much is it?
The pizza is $10. The juice is $3. Total is $13.
Okay, here is $15.
Thank you, Anna. Here is $2 change.
Keep the change, Tom.
Oh, thank you. You are very nice.
You are nice too. Goodbye, Tom. Thank you for the good food.
Goodbye, Anna. Come back soon.